LAMDAM ASIGI Pheeshabi Shing Organised Sector da Puraknaba Textile Park ama Shanaba project Shem Shaba Loire HAINA Manipur LEINGAK Textile Commerce and Industry ki Additional Chief Secretary ANURAG BAJPAI na PHONGDOK-KHRE Wafam asing Directorate of Handloom and Textiles na silaga Ministry of Textiles ki scheme ama oidiba Samarat scheme gi makhada training program haudokpagi thauramda mahakna PHONGDOK-KHRE Lamboi Khongnangkongda leiba Textile Center da pangthokpa thauram aduda Chief Guest ki warol piraduna ANURAG BAJPAI na hai Manipur da leiriba apunba misingi chada taramanga digi kun faubadi Phisa lonsa amasung khudhaibagi sinfam da thabak tawdi Maruaina Pheeshabi Shing asi informal sector da thabak tawbana ayambane makoi sing asi formal sector gi thakta pukhatuna Organize oiba mawongda thabak sunanaba state asida textile park ama hangdoknanabagi project Shem Shaba Loire Impal da thamgadoriba textile park asigi project approval ngairaga leiri Nauna sagadoriba park asida pangthokadaba thabakki mawong matau asi industry amaga manana pangthokani masida Pheeshabi Shing na thabak lakpa amasung hanbagi akaknaba matam lehengani Mahakna Textile Commerce and Industry gi Additional Chief Secretary gi pham pairakpa tha manga ro masida hiram kayada sothana leiramba thengnadaba nate masida cluster development program paikhataba district khara leiramba thengnei loinana Phisa lonsa gi thabakta innovation watpagi mami tai state asidagi puthokliba handloom gi pothok sing national amasung international market yohangi hairabadi innovation design amasung tongan ba mafam dileiba misingna sizinaba yagadaba mongda puthokpagi tangai padaba sulei masi pumnamal cluster development executive singna hotnaba chamni district khudingma ke cluster thamduna manaba mawong amada thabak pangthok minaba chumgani Masida department na so angamba mateng pangani haina ANURAG BAJPAI na makatana PHONGDOK-KHRE
having a textile park, a big textile park in the state. We are starting with Imphal because we have sufficient land. We are working on this project. It will be a very big project where we will have the facility to develop the entire industrial line, which is in other states. We have in Surat, I believe. You must have heard about this Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. They have the industrial. There it is the formal, completely formal sector, organized sector. It is not unorganized, where the weavers come in the morning at 9 a.m. They work till 5 p.m. and they get salary.
Thauramada Saruk Yakiba, Directorate of Handloom and Textiles ke Director E.G. Hai, Pangthokadoriba training program asi ahanbada apparel dagi hogani. Madugi matungda Design Extension Center Porongpata Kauna amasung hand dyeing gi training amuk tawgani. Ministry of Textile gi makhada kumja English ngani taratare tagi ngasi faubada cluster development program kuntra mari paikhat pangamkhre masida Pheeshabi Shing kuntra humdoirom program asina kunshin bangamle haina jite na makhata ki
so hariba parameters in asi fulfill tawdragadi training hoba yadaba so there were some tussle in between the training partner, that means Government of Manipur and the Ministry of Textile, particularly the Project Management Unit PMU. Makoju khangdaba aduna maramaraga training program che thengdaraga lakpajigi 15,000 ki target se first whether we have to wait the sanction of the Government of India or we have to start a training program from source of our state's own resource again. How could I have concrete clarification point mo pidaba sinabra morakanda khoi marakta training hogni horoi ekoi da leba weaver artisan mayam gi mati potentiality di ministry na khangba